Robert,
Well, good evening.
let's
Ajay,
continue. Robert,
thank you. Thank you so much for inviting me to present, and good evening to everybody. And I just want to begin by just saying thank you to Mr. Haijung and to Summer and to Reina for inviting me. I mean, IGE is truly one of the leaders in international education, and we're so grateful to be a part of this presentation. So real quickly, we have 4 great elements that make up our international student program. And that is great city, great schools, great homestay, and great weekly activities. The result is a great experience when you come to Kamloops, a city of 100,000 people. And like I mentioned, every place in BC is beautiful, and we are no different. We are located on the confluence of 2 rivers, the North and South Thompson rivers. We are located 3 hours drive from Vancouver. Students, when they fly from Seoul, land in Vancouver, switch planes, and then land in our airport in Kamloops. So our first contact with students is at the airport when they arrive. We meet them there as along with the Homestay family and take them right off to their homestay when they arrive. We're a city of about 100,000 people. Our climate is more similar to Seoul. I would say Vancouver is more like Ulsan. Kamloops is more like Seoul. Our coldest days usually are around, our coldest nights are usually around -10. We usually hover around 0 during the day, but we do have snow for about 6 weeks, which allows for lovely winter activities. As Elizabeth said, or as a province, most of us run a semester system. We start September 2nd in 2025 and finish on January 22nd for first term, and then we'll start January 28th and run until June 26th or probably 23rd for term 2 this year. There's a number of Pro-D days and holidays that happen during the year, including winter break from December 22nd to January 2nd and spring break from March 16th to 27th. And we have some various holidays and professional development days as well between the 2 semesters. We run 4 courses per semester. And as Elizabeth said, you need 80 credits for graduation. The nice part about our graduation requirement is it allows for a lot of elective or student choice. And I tell you that because we do have 7 high schools that students can go attend if they come to Kamloops, and each of them has its own unique characteristics and specialties and academies. For instance, Sahali Secondary School is a school of about 1,000 students. It's a UNESCO designated school, which means it really does focus on sort of the global challenge of peace and climate action and human rights as a overlying theme that runs through the school. There's only 3 of them in BC. And it also has an outdoor education academy where students can spend a semester focusing on the outdoor nature of Kamloops Thompson School District and area. It has ELL support for students who might need that as well in terms of their language. And Brocklehurst Secondary is a school of about 500. It used to be a middle school. We've just upgraded it to a high school this year. So it is going to be grades 8 to 12. It has a number of different academies that students can take, along with, of course, the regular matriculation or graduation courses. But it has a swimming academy, very high level training that happens 2 blocks per semester up at the Canada Games pool. It has a health sciences academy, a dance academy, and if students are interested, even an ice hockey academy. South Kamloops Secondary is known as our sports school, but it is also very academically inclined. It's a French immersion school. It has a number of great programs ranging from robotics to photography to carpentry and joinery and so on. It has the most extracurricular clubs in the entire city, and it too offers great ELL support for students. Valley View Secondary is our newest high school. It just opened a $35 million addition last September. So it is truly, has a second gymnasium, has a new labs and cafeteria, and offers a really interesting digital arts like technology or computer coding academy for students who are interested in doing video game design. A lot of our students, when they graduate that, carry on to the Vancouver Film School to hone their skills even further. NORCAM Secondary is our International Baccalaureate School. It is the only IB program outside of the Greater Vancouver area. So if you're going to leave sort of the Greater Vancouver area, IB is only offered in Kamloops. But it is also a very interesting school. Again, computer animation, digital media, even a teaching salon if students wanted to take a semester and learn how to become a stylist. So very, very popular trades programs. It has a $9 million trades facility that is actually not even taught by our teachers. It's taught by the Thompson Rivers University instructors, where students can get their ticket in everything from welding to millwright to automotives, electrical, and so on. So it's very, very high-tech school and very popular as well. Westside Secondary is a little bit of a smaller school if students are looking for a more intimate sort of relationship with teachers and fellow students. It's about 700 students. Great sports teams, but again, a little bit smaller and a little bit more personalized. And of course, we have the only art school outside the Greater Vancouver area as well. This is a K-12 school, a very funky school, very difficult to get into. We generally only offer 6 spots to students per year, although next year we have 7 students accepted into the school. But it is a school where all the teachers have a degree in dance, drawing, music, and theater, as well as whatever their teaching major is. The students get a chance to, in high school, focus on a major and a minor in addition to the required curriculum that they're required to have for graduation. So I have to tell you that if you are the parent of a student who loves the arts, they truly find their people in the school. They have the best assemblies, I think, in the world. Everything from spoken word to bands to drama presentations. It is a really neat place, and if you're interested in getting into it, we usually need to know relatively early to save you a spot. Our students as well, international students, get accepted into schools all over Canada and actually the world, ranging from, King's College in London to Cornell in the United States. So we do get exceptional results. British Columbia teachers are all well-trained. Our schools in Kamloops are well maintained and well funded, and very innovative classroom teaching. We have what I believe to be the best activities program in Canada. Everyone offers an activities program, but we offer it every single week. Here's an example of one semester worth of activities. We say that Kamloops is a natural choice for study in Canada, with nature being, of course, the root word of natural. So we really try to focus our activities on nature. And in one semester, they could be going ice fishing or curling or snowshoeing or tubing down Harper Mountain or going to hockey games or skiing at Sun Peaks Resort, which is the second largest ski hill in all of Canada, the first being Whistler, the second being Sun Peaks. And it's only 45 minutes from downtown Kamloops. Students can actually take a shuttle on the weekend if they want to go there. We go whale watching in Tofino, gold panning in our rivers. We have 2 gold mines outside the city, so we teach them how to gold pan. They go hiking. They go to Jasper and Banff and Lake Louise. And we go down to Vancouver if students actually want to go shopping. So we do have a lot of interesting activities. And the neat thing about it is, of the 32 that we offer in a year, 27 of them have no cost to them. They are included as part of the tuition. So it means that students, generally speaking, don't need to be on their phone in their bedroom on the weekends. They can be out meeting friends in other schools and having just a great time. We are a small city, and as you can see, we don't have a lot of high rises. We have houses, so students stay generally within walking distance of the school that they're attending. once we know the school, then we assign them a homestays. And like I say, usually within walking distance. Our homestays, English is the only language in town. So they are going to be in an English-speaking family. That's not a question at all. Our families are screened and checked, and most of them, generally speaking, have been long-term families for us. So we have found that when we place students in homestay families, they have a great experience. We have 24-hour support in terms of if there are issues or concerns, and we are very, very proud of our program because we manage it ourselves, and because we're a smaller program of 180 students, we really do get to know our families well. And trying to keep things on time, I just want to finish again with a big thank you to Haijong, Summer, Reina. You guys are the best, and we really appreciate you giving me a chance. And any further questions, I know they're going to be able to answer, but I'm here for a couple more minutes if you have any questions for me.